students. In today's session, we will discuss circles. This is the last topic for chapter 4 NCERT of your class 6 basic geometrical ideas. Let us begin. We will discuss circles. In simple words, round shapes. In our environment, you find many things that are round, like a wheel, a clock, your bangles or coin, etc. These all are things you find it round in shape. So a circle is a simple closed curve. That means it is a curve which is simple closed curve and which is not a polygon, because in polygon we have line segments. So in the circle there is no line segment, it is a simple closed curve, and it is a collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point, this point, remains constant. Here, like point P or any other, all have the same distance from a fixed point. If we keep a point here like X, then all have the same distance from the center. Got it? And this fixed point is called center point. So in the parts of the circle we discuss center. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. From this figure we find D is the center point. Next is radius. Radius is a line segment that connects the center to the points of the circle. Means from the center, whatever you draw to the boundary of the circle, all are called radius. Suppose ABC are points on the circle. What you will see? You will find DA is equal to DC is equal to DB. So you can say that all the radius of the circle are same. They have the same length. Next is diameter. Diameter is also a line segment in the circle passing through the center and its endpoints on the circle. Here AC is the diameter. See, from this point to this point. But is the diameter double the size of the radius? Yes, because it consists of two radius. So clearly diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Got it? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius or double of radius. Next part we are going to discuss the parts of circle is chord. Chord is also, like we discussed diameter, also the chord is also a line segment in the interior part of the circle and its endpoints are on the boundary of the circle. So from the figure you can see AB, CD and EF are chords. See clearly? So each part is called the chord of the circle, and from this concept you will find that the diameter of a circle is the largest chord. So this is a very important point. You must remember, diameter is the largest chord of any circle. Next part we will discuss is arc. Arc is simply any portion of the sphere. It is AB. Any curvy portion of boundary portion is called the arc, and we write arc as with this symbol. So here from this figure we find AB is an arc. Now being a polygon, it is also has interior, exterior and itself on the part. So simply we discussed earlier also that exterior is the outer part, interior is the inner part, and on the circle part. On the circle or any figure we will discuss the boundary, on the boundary, interior and exterior part. So simply the part of the plane consisting of those points P which OP is less than R. Means any point, suppose here we got a point. So what you will find? It is less than radius. So all these the points which is inside the circle is called the interior of the circle, and on the circle simply the boundary like P point or any point. So this is equal to radius. Now the exterior part, also exterior, obviously it will be greater than the radius because it will be outer, it will be continued to the outer of the circle like this. So if there is a, here is a point, then this point will be called as exterior point. Here is also another figure. From this figure you can find out what points are in the interior, what in the exterior, and what are in the on the circle. Next is our sector. Sector is also a part of a circle, but simply you can, it is a, somehow it is a triangular shape and it is bounded by an arc. See, here is an arc and with two radii. Radii means two radius, two or more radius, we will call it radii. So this is bounded by an arc and two radius. Then it is, the formed figure is called sector. Next is segment, a region in the interior. Obviously in the interior part, it is a part which is enclosed by an arc. Again it's an arc and a line segment. Got it? It is bounded by an arc and line segment, and sector is bounded by an arc and two radius. Next is circumference. Very simple. The circumference is the distance around the circle, means the boundary of the figure, the boundary of the circle is called the circumference. Also you can say the perimeter of the circle. In other shapes we have studied now, like square, rectangle, that the perimeter is there. So you can say circumference is the perimeter of the circle. All the distance which are around the figure. In the next chapter you will discuss more about the circumference and the area, and in the higher classes you will study various formulas about these things. Now we will move to next topic, semicircle. Very interesting. Semicircle, you can say simply the half of your circle, and if endpoint of a diameter of a circle divides the circle into two parts. Means any diameter divides the circle into two parts. You can see here two parts, half circle. So this is called a semicircle. Got it? Now from this session we are end with this chapter, basic geometrical ideas, and many thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like and share this channel. Thank you.